In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Adobe Reader is not working properly on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is actually open up your Adobe Reader installation. Left click on the Help tab up at the top, and then left click on Repair Installation. It's going to prompt you, are you sure you want to repair the current installation? Left click on Yes. Okay, so once that's done, I would suggest closing out of Adobe Reader, restart your computer, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.